What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Khadija. In today's video I will be installing this lovely V-part unit from Hermosa here. The unit is a 20-inch V-part Jerry curls wig. I love it. It is super easy to install, super beginner friendly. If you're interested and you want to see how I achieve this look, then go ahead and check out the video and I'll be back with my final thoughts on this unit. So this is the wig we're working with today. This is your 20-inch V-part Jerry curls unit, and the wig comes with the pop-up combs in the top. It also has the adjustable strap in the back, and it has a comb in the back as well. This is it. So I have my hair sectioned out already. I made a little U part just to cover the tracks of the wig, and I'm also going to go ahead and just make some baby hair. This is it. So I will be using my Lots of Body Moves. Guys, so while this is drying, I'm just going to go ahead and make some baby hair before I put my wig on. I will be using the Cream of Nature Edge Control. So I just made some baby hair. This is what it's looking like. So I think they're just about dried, I think. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take these out and see what they look like. So this is what it's looking like. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. So this is it. I'm going to go ahead and apply some of my Lots of Body Moves to get some curls into my hair and into the unit, but this is it. Just gonna go ahead and add some of my BioSilk Silk Therapy. This is the finished look. I really love how this turned out. The curls are super defined. It blends seamlessly at the roots. Like, you cannot tell this is a wig right now. It is super fast to install, super easy, super beginner friendly, and very convenient. I did have a little bit of shedding, but that's okay. It wasn't bad, it was just a little bit. And I definitely would give this unit a 10 out of 10. Like, it is super natural. It has that cute behind the ear effect. It is given super natural. I'll be linking the unit down below so you guys can go ahead and purchase. Make sure you use the coupon code when you're making your purchase. This is where I'll leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in another video.